Today I'm going to show you how to cut angle iron 45 degree and 90 degree so. Simple, watch full video. See the marking methods and spot carefully. Our craftsmen make it so easy and I think it's very helpful and useful idea. After draw marking kit on grinder like shown in video, then it's ready to connecting easy. I think it's really helpful and amazing. Now look at this, it looks so perfect. The second trick is so easy and helpful. Simple, draw a line straight and use grinder disc for curve marking. Look these marking places carefully and notice all points also. After finishing these steps, then cut these marking on grinder. Now we are going to cut these marks properly with grinder. After cutting, remove this and it's ready for 90 degree binding, then bind it very simple and weld it professionally. It's very simple and easy idea you didn't seen before.